This is kind of a neat, fun one, and maybe better for some of the older kids. But what I'm holding here, and this could demonstrate again scriptures like we are fearfully and wonderfully made. So evolution maybe versus creation. What I'm holding here is a small part of a molecule, and you can ask the kids, does anybody know which one this is? And probably they're not going to know. But this is a replica of chemical bonding of a heme molecule. Now, heme is part of hemoglobin, okay, which is in your red blood cells, and it's used to carry oxygen. Now, you can demonstrate this. There's nitrogen atoms, 4 nitrogen atoms, and an iron. And this right here, these 2 red ones represent oxygen. The black represents carbon, and these are hydrogen atoms, and some more oxygen out here, and some of the bonding. Now this is just the heme portion of the molecule, which is in hemoglobin. And again, hemoglobin, how is that important? It carries the oxygen when you breathe in, goes out through your body, it connects and grabs the oxygen in your lungs, and then it distributes it through your body to all your different tissues, down to your toe, to your head, all over your body. Now, what this represents, and what I want you to get across here, is this is just a small part of that whole molecule, okay? But look how complex this thing is. And if you think about this, if nature and evolution were to just happen, I mean, what are the chances of 4 nitrogen atoms being put right here, being bound up by all the rest of these other molecules, grabbing an iron molecule and being able to attach itself to an oxygen atom and going through, and that's just a small thing. If you think of everything else in your body, what it does is if you statistically try to mathematically prove this, the chance of this just happen by chance, which is what evolution is. It's just going to happen by chance. So this is a good demonstration of just a simple thing. And again, what I think is neat about this is the iron and these molecules are just found in regular dirt and dust. And how did God form man? He grabbed the dirt of the earth, formed man, but then what did he do? He blew into him the breath of life, which is the oxygen, which then, when he blew into Adam, Adam became a living soul. So he put his spirit in him, the breath of God, and God is great, and we are fearfully and wonderfully made, and this is just a way to demonstrate that. In Jesus' name.